It's time for another Reader's Choice. We're going to look at Schlumberger today. I'm Jill Malandrino with the Streets Options Profits.
And I'm Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer of T3Live.com.
This is kind of like the mutt of our trading ideas. We have Stephanie and Kramer buying it in AAP. The T3 traders are getting involved in trading it. Bob Lang over at Real Money, he's getting real positive on the name. They reported Friday, 420, and they broke through that key 70 level. Scott, what are we looking at now?
I think this goes to show you how all time frames could line up, because you have, Stephanie, who's very fundamental, who's been trying to position in it. Me, who's like technical, has been saying, let's wait. The action hasn't been great. But then after earnings, it started to perk up. And I think last time we spoke about it, I'm like, you know what? Now this is back in vogue. Maybe the stories are starting to come together. You look at the chart here, Schlumberger. Technically, I know that Stephanie was saying she wanted to buy the dip, and you guys were all talking about it, buying it into the 65 area. So if you did that in a tier 1, you did good. Okay, as far as technically, I wanted to see it break this descending channel right around here, right around 70. So it did it, came back, tested it. This was your buy technically, and now in the last 3 days, it finally acted well with the market, where market was up 3 days, it was up 3 days. It wasn't lagging. I remember trading it a few times earlier in the year, trying to play the breakout, I think right around here, and it wasn't going. So now I think it's acting better. I think it could be maybe even a tier 2 in this position, and then at some particular point, the next resistance here is going to be around 80.
And fundamentally, we're liking this name as well. We're really encouraged by the deep water and international revenue and margins. They've just been really firing on all cylinders, getting those nice, healthy contract wins. Mark Sebastian of Option Pit is going to give us the option strategy, but what we're going to look at is a little bit longer dated call spread. We're bullish on the name, but we're also going to get some protection in there so we can control our risk.
Yeah, I think that you could play this many ways to skin a cat or dig a drill or drill a well. Anyway, at this point, I think it's in motion. Stay with it, trade it, and I also think you could invest in it.
All right, great. Thanks, Scott.